Tell me one thing. What does a successful career mean to you? Is it only clearing the exam and getting the degree? Or do you feel that once you clear the exam, एक बार आपने exam clear कर लिया, degree ले ली, your career will become successful automatically. After that, good opportunities will come, job opportunities will come to you, good growth will come to you, your dream package will come to you, and everything will become easier. But tell me honestly, is that how a successful career really built? Because clearing the exam and building a successful career is altogether a different thing. Clearing the exam is an achievement, it opens the door for success. But building a successful career is a much bigger journey. And in this video, I want you to understand how you can build a successful career by knowing three things. First thing is why many students stay busy but still feel helpless. What beliefs and habits मेक स्टूडेंट्स वीक अंडर प्रेशर? ऐसे कौन से बिलीफ सिस्टम, ऐसी कौन सी हैबिट्स हैं जो एक स्टूडेंट को वीक बनाते हैं जब वो प्रेशर में होते हैं? एंड द थर्ड इज व्हाट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स अ स्टूडेंट keep growing in a successful career. So stay with me till the end, because if you understand this clearly, you will stop preparing only to clear the exam and you will start preparing to truly build a successful career. Because if you understand this clearly, you will stop preparing only for the exams but start building your successful career. Now here is the truth. Many students are sincere, they are honest with their preparation, they are studying, they are attending classes, they are making notes, they are watching lectures, they are revising their topic, they are feeling pressure, they are staying in discipline. So from outside it look like they are doing everything right, but inside something important is still missing. They are preparing to clear the exam, but not always preparing to build a successful career. And this difference is very important, because a successful career is not built only when everything goes according to your plan. A successful career is built by how you respond when things doesn't go according to your plan. And this is true in every career, not in CA only. And honestly, challenges, pressure, unexpected situations, delays, rejections, these all are there in every career. Doesn't matter आप कोई भी career pursue कर रहे हो. So if a student is preparing only to clear the exam but not prepared to handle the uncertainty, then even a sincere student can still feel helpless. And this is where many students get stuck. When things become difficult, they start blaming the career, they start blaming the growth, they start blaming the situation, and slowly doubting themselves too. But the real question is, have you built yourself in such a way that no matter what happens, you can still think clearly, you can still adjust, you can still find a solution, you can still keep moving forward? Being busy all the time creates an illusion. It can make you feel that you are doing something good, you are moving ahead, you are working towards your dream. But that busyness is not always growth. You study whole day and still not build career strength. You stay busy all the day but still feel weak when any uncertainty comes. Busyness does not always means that you are building your career. A student can study hard and still freeze when plans changes. A student knows the syllabus, he has command over his knowledge, but still don't know how to handle the rejection. He works honestly and still breakdowns emotionally when one result goes wrong. That means the problem is not academic, the problem is called inner preparation. And when I say inner preparation, I'm talking about your belief system, because weak beliefs create weak responses. One of the biggest wrong belief many students have is, if I clear the exam, my successful career is set. उन्हें लगता है एक बार मैंने क्लियर कर लिए ना एग्जाम्स, एक बार डिग्री हाथ में आ गई, then my success is तो पक्की. But no, this is not the truth. Clearing the exam gives you a qualification, but it does not automatically gives you maturity, it does not automatically build your emotional strength, it does not automatically give you a good judgment, it does not automatically give you a stability under pressure. Another wrong belief which many students have is, if I am working hard, my career should go exactly as I planned. Of course hard work matters a lot, But career growth is not always smooth. Sometimes it is slow, sometimes it's test your patience, sometimes it's test your mindset. And another dangerous belief is, if something unexpected happens, maybe this path is not for me. Sometimes the path is not the problem. Sometimes the person has still not built the inner strength needed for that path. सो व्हाट स्ट्रॉन्गर बिलीव शुड अ स्टूडेंट बिल्ड? ऐसे कौन से बिलीव सिस्टम एक स्टूडेंट में होने चाहिए विच मेक्स हिम कि कुछ भी हो जाए, आई कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड, आई कैन बिल्ड माई करियर? नंबर वन इज, क्लियरिंग द एग्जाम इज इंपॉर्टेंट बट इट इज नॉट द फुल मीनिंग ऑफ द सक्सेसफुल करियर. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर मैंने एग्जाम क्लियर कर लिया तो मेरा सक्सेसफुल करियर बन ही जाएगा. Second is, a successful career needs inner strength, not just the qualification. Number third, अनएक्सपेक्टेड सिचुएशंस आर द पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोथ. अगर ऐसी अनएक्सपेक्टेड सिचुएशंस नहीं होंगी तो आप नहीं ग्रो कर पाओगे. एंड दीज अनएक्सपेक्टेड सिचुएशंस आर नॉट द प्रूफ that your future is over. Your job is not only to clear the exams, your job is to become capable, your job is to become competent. And no matter what happens, you can learn, you can adjust, you can move forward. And most of the student only works in panic mode. दे स्टडी ओनली व्हेन फियर अराइजेस. वो तभी पढ़ते हैं जब उन्हें डर लगता है, वो तभी एक्शंस लेते हैं जब उन्हें गिल्टी फील होता है. वो पहले पूरा टाइम वेस्ट कर देते हैं, जब उन्हें गिल्टी फील होता है देन दे टेक द एक्शंस. दे थिंक सीरियसली ओनली व्हेन देयर इज प्रेशर. जब वो प्रेशर में होते हैं तभी वो सीरियसली पढ़ते हैं, अदरवाइज they are just chilling. And this creates a weak system, because if panic becomes your fuel, अगर आप तभी काम करते हो जब आप पैनिक होते हो, देन जब आप पीस में होगे, जब आप रिलैक्स करोगे, तब आप एक्शंस लेना छोड़ देते हो. सो यू हैव टू बिल्ड सर्टेन हैबिट्स irrespective के आपका मूड कैसा है. एंड द नंबर वन हैबिट विच यू कैन बिल्ड इज रिफ्लेक्शन. You don't have to react. You don't have to say, why is this happening for me? Instead, you have to ask, what is this phase teaching me? What can I learn from this situation? Next is, you always have intention over busyness. Busyness means whole day you are doing something or the other, but intention means you are doing something useful that help you in building your career. Another habit every student must have is recovering when you collapse. A successful career is not built by the people who never get disturbed. It is built by people who know how to recover without losing months in helplessness. And the most important habit is self responsibility and not self blame. Self responsibility. Instead of saying, this path is difficult, so now I am stuck, you start saying, yes, it is difficult, of course, it is difficult, so now I need to become stronger. And this one shift changes एवरीथिंग. जब आप सिचुएशन के हिसाब से अपने आप को मोल्ड कर लेते हो और उससे कुछ लर्न करके आगे बढ़ते हो, दिस इज कॉल्ड self responsibility. And if you develop this belief system and these habits, then developing new skills will become very easy for you. मैंने सबसे पहले स्किल्स की बात क्यों नहीं करी, बिकॉज अगर मैं आपसे डायरेक्ट स्किल्स की बात करती तो आपको वो एक एडेड बर्डन लगता. तो सबसे पहले आपको अपना बिलीफ सिस्टम चेंज करना है, आपको हैबिट्स डेवलप करनी है, एंड देन यू हैव टू बिल्ड न्यू स्किल्स. एंड नाउ योर माइंड इज रेडी टू बिल्ड new skills, because now these skills don't feel like extra burden, they are like preparation for a successful career. So what the real skills matter? Number one is critical thinking, not overthinking. Critical thinking means asking the better questions, that what is the real problem, what is in my control, what is the fear saying, what is the reality saying, what is the next useful step. So you are seeing any situation from a different angle and not as it is. This is called critical thinking. Second skill which every student should build is communication. A successful career is not built only by knowing things, it is built by expressing things clearly. How you speak, how you present yourself, how you handle interviews, how you build trust. And this communication skill is the most important skill every student should build. This is a non negotiable. Third skill which every student must have is emotional regulation. Can you stay functional when anxiety arises? Can you think clearly when there is pressure? Can you stop one setback from becoming hopelessness? Doesn't matter आपके जो भी emotions हैं, क्या आप अपने इमोशंस को रेगुलेट करके अपना एक्शन ले सकते हो? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि इमोशंस आपके ऊपर भारी हो जाते हैं एंड देन यू फ्रीज. नंबर फोर्थ इज अडेप्टेबिलिटी. कैन यू एडजस्ट व्हेन द सिचुएशन चेंजेस? Can you rethink without breaking down? Can you face the challenge without becoming emotionally stuck? And the fifth skill is self leadership. Can you lead yourself when no one is watching you? Can you be honest with yourself? You are not studying कि आपकी फैमिली वाले आपको देखें और बोले कि बच्चा बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है. No, even if no one is seeing, still you are honest with your preparation. Can you continue building your career even when the motivation is low? Can you do your best विदाउट नीडिंग परफेक्ट सर्टेनिटी एवरी डे? ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके लिए हर दिन परफेक्ट होना चाहिए तभी आप अपना प्रोडक्टिव कर सकते हो. यू हैव दैट एबिलिटी कि अगर दिन प्रोडक्टिव नहीं भी है, अगर दिन परफेक्ट नहीं भी है, स्टिल यू कैन डू योर बेस्ट. So now let us come back to the main message of this video. Why do many CA students stay busy but still not build a successful career? Because most of the time their energy is going to clear the exam, thinking that once I clear the exam, I will get a successful career. And they are not giving attention to becoming that kind of person who can build and sustain a successful career. And again, I am not saying that do not prepare seriously for the exam. Prepare fully, respect the exam, work hard for it, but do not make this mistake thinking that once I get the degree, once I clear the exam, I will automatically create a successful career. Clearing gives you a result, but a successful career needs a person with strong beliefs, better habits, real skills, clear thinking, emotional strength, adaptability, and the ability to keep moving forward when the path becomes difficult. So instead of becoming helpless, build yourself. Build yourself in such a way that no matter what happens, you can still think, you can still adjust, you can still find solutions, you can recover from the collapse, and you can still move forward. This is what a successful career is all about. Not just clearing once, but becoming stronger, wiser, and more capable again and again. So ask yourself honestly, am I only preparing to clear the exam, or am I also preparing to build a successful career? Because this is the bigger picture. Clearing exam is only a part of a successful career. This is not the whole career. Please understand this thing. And if this video helped you, then let me know in the comment section which one skill you will develop today only after watching this video to build a successful career. And if you know any of your friend who is working hard but still feeling helplessness, share this video with them. ठीक है, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. टेक केयर, बाय बाय.